Hello dear kids, now look, we are opposite. Yes student, now today we will look the unit 5, lesson number 1. We are opposite. Listen, sing and act. We are opposites, and I will more, and I tell you more. I say after and you say before. I say after and you say before. We are opposite. I come in and you go out. I come in and you go out. We are opposite. Let's give a shout. Let's give a shout. We are opposite. I look up and you look down. I look up and you look down. I like to walk you turn to town. I am small as smaller can be. I am small as smaller can be. You are big, much bigger than me. You are big, much bigger than me. I say stop and you say go. I say stop and you say go. We are opposites. We are opposites. I told you so. I told you so. We are opposites. We are opposites. It's like I said before. Think on your own if you want any more. I think it's hot, you think it's cold. I say it's new, you say it's old. We are opposites. We are opposites. We are opposites.